3, 2, 1.
He's already alone.
Fuck your 2 knives to my back. Oh!
Oh, I got the assist. Get fucked.
Yeah, he did. I wonder why. Because he fucking knifed me on the back twice.
Oh! Oh, my gonads! What?
You don't remember that? Well, I remember that.
Well,
11 HP.
I have 13!
Okay, so here were my options. A, quickly duck sideways, dodge the claw, then take him out with a spinning back kick. Or B, take the claw in the face, then roll on the ground and die. Should have gone with A.
Motherfucker! Good job.
If you were into that.
Oh!
Holy shit!
Oh, no scope.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Okay. I thought he was on the other side.
Because they're good. Ooh.
Ooh.
Loading. Oh, flattered. No, but fuck that guy. I got cat locked down.
Pick you up now. Tom, look down.
Oh, what the fuck? Where did he come from? Yo, Perry, what's your rank, dude? I mean, after you kill that guy.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
He's running. Yeah!
What?
Okay. Game.
Yeah, gold 2, easiest game ever.
Cold
Dude,
Yeah.
for 56.
Like speaking
I
cutter.
know we should kill him.
Oh, bottle!
Alright, that guy's gonna die, and then it's gonna be up to you.
Whoa, lag. No, don't say anything. I did
Whenever
actually
Tom
lag.
misses, he yells lag.
Fucking recoil!
Right there, Tom. Shoot. Nice. Alright, yeah, grab him
I
out.
think the last guy was long A. I could be wrong.
Nope, come down, bro. Come down, bro. Right, left.
What the fuck?
Okay, I'm defusing this bomb.
Sick burn.
Alright,
Red.
Tom, behind you.
This way. One more.
Fuck this.
2 more.
Alright, Tom's down.
Get out! Shit! Fuck boxes, dude!
30 seconds.
I believe too hard.
Yeah, you should have
Oh.
known, dude.
Yeah.
Believe harder.
Get my off. Get my off.
Do that. I need plant money.
Yeah.
Nepal.
Got him.
Ah, so close.
I will shoot you, Tom, so hard.
Why, dude?
That coming.
I said you almost got him.
Oh. Would still shoot you.
He's in pit right now.
No, I hear him, cat.
Oh,
Desi's
oh,
in
you
pit.
killed that guy in pit.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
did you kill the guy in pit?
Yeah. Well,
Much
obviously,
lie.
You won.
Wow.
That's fine. I don't hold it against you.
Alright,
I'm
where's
not
it?
Eric. Oh, sick burn.
Wait, why is it
Oh.
on me?
Oh.
Oh, upper B. Come on.
Tom?
I have to get like a shotgun.
Yeah, I'm good. I have an X.
I'll try to hold
Look at
B.
this cheerful ass bitch after yelling at everyone.
I'm gonna try to hold B.
We can do this, guys. Just don't fuck up or I'll hate you.